painting some loose florals. Hi guys, I'm Joanne and welcome to Let's Paint with Harpley. Today we're painting a simple 5-petal flower. Today we're using this quill brush from Princeton. It holds a lot of water. I use a thick consistency of paint and paint 5 dots in a circle. I then wet my brush with a lot of water and start spreading the little dots that I've put in, creating a petal shape. While the paper is still wet, I pick up my round brush in size 6 and I start tapping in a very dark concentration of paint, allowing the paint to just bleed on the paper, and the parts that are not that flowy, I add more water. Now using a thin brush, I start creating leaves around the outsides. I use the tip of my brush to create the stem, and then I press down, creating the leaves. Now I mix a little bit of a darker pigment into the same color mix, and I create thicker leaves. I press down with my brush using 2 strokes and picking it up at the end to create the leaf shape. Now I'm adding a third type of leaf. These leaves are a bit of a rounder shape at the ends. Now using the tip of your brush, you create little foliage, giving it some variation. Now I mix a bit of yellow and create the center dot. Now I'm using a smaller brush to create the finer details of the inside. I paint little lines and dots. I use a mix of red and yellow. Thanks for watching this loose floral. I hope you subscribe and come back for more tips.